The person who initially posted the negative comment about Kim and regarding the It's Showtime hashtag deserve has already apologized. They admitted that they simply misunderstood the situation and made an assumption. Kim Chu didn't say anything wrong. She was simply reading the script on It's Showtime for the Rumas Back segment, where she said, "Deserve Rumas Back." The video that was circulated was without context. Please watch the full video to understand the whole situation clearly.
Sa mga feeling nila ay hindi pa dumarating ang tamang panahon para sa kanila. Ang masasabi namin, deserve. Wait, di ba ako tapos? Deserve yung Rumas Back sa buhay! Yes, that is so right! Tulad ng ating Grand Press Backers na deserve nilang mahangaan sa kanilang giting at
Ang
tapang.
huhusay naman kasi yung laban kahapon.
Sobra!
Uusapan ng madlang people.
Hirap na hirap ang mga hurado. At syempre, Kimmy, deserve na deserve mo ang support at pagmamahal. I think malapit na yung show.
Malapit na kasi.
Oo nga! Paglabas ko nga rito, may promo ba kami ni Pao? Parang wala
Parang
naman
nakaisip
tuloy.
ka.
Actually,
Excited na mga...
We too are saddened by what happened to Tatay Digong. In fact, our family voted for VP Sara Duterte because we believed in their leadership. We are also concerned about the current situation in our country. Let's not place the blame on Kim. If the hashtag didn't have a hidden message, she wasn't the one who wrote it. She was merely reading it. Let's be fair and not hold her accountable for something beyond her control. Thank you for your understanding.
Sana ang dasal ko lang ay maging successful talaga.
Yes!
Magiging successful yan.
Yes!